It's me again, Amanda from Mad Peaches. We're talking more about some sunscreen. So you guys have watched a couple of the videos already, and we've talked a little bit about different myths about sunscreen. We've also talked about SPF, what does that mean? Sun protection factor. And at the end of that video, we started to talk about how you should apply it and how often you should reapply and things like that. So I'm gonna get a little bit more into that. So if you remember, we talked about SPF 15, 30, and 50 and kind of the differences with that. One thing that's really, really important for everybody to know is that when you are outside, you need to reapply no matter what SPF factor you're using. You should reapply every 2 hours of straight sun exposure. Now, if you're at the pool or you're at the ocean or the lake or you're in any type of body of water, you should reapply every 60 to 80 minutes. So that's really big, especially for people if you like to go hang out in the lake all day, you got to get out every now and then, you've got to reapply that sunscreen, give it, a good 10 to 15 minutes to dry and really settle into the skin before you jump right into that lake. A big misunderstanding is people have a tendency to apply it and then they go and hang out all day and they think that they're fine. But that's not always the case. We're talking about we want to avoid that premature aging, we want to avoid skin cancer, we want to avoid burning, we want to stay young, beautiful for the rest of our lives, right? So it's super important to reapply the sunscreen. So remember guys, 2 hours of straight sun exposure, or if you're in the water, every 60 to 80 minutes.